Hey guys, how's it going? Nicole here. I just wanted to share a very short video on one of my favorite ingredients to cook with. Not only because it is beautifully aromatic, because of the gorgeous color that it provides to food, but especially because of all the health boosting benefit that it provides. So talking about turmeric. Turmeric comes from India. It's been used for over 5,000 years in Indian cuisine, not only as a cooking spice, but also as a medicinal herb. The list of health boosting properties from this spice is very long, which makes it a powerful natural remedy. There's been thousands of clinical studies that have been done on turmeric showcasing its impressive attributes, such as the fact that it reduces inflammation in the body. It's been shown to be just as effective as anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. Similarly, it is able to reduce pain experienced in the body. It's also a powerful antioxidant. It's a natural mood booster. It increases serotonin, and there's been studies that have shown that it's as effective as Prozac in some cases. It also helps to balance blood sugar level, improves brain function. It's been shown to help with concentration, with memory, and with neural stem cell growth. It increases cardiovascular health, so heart health. It helps to remove plaque out of the arteries. It helps to burn fat. It revs up our metabolism naturally. It's antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. It helps to stimulate and increase digestion, so our ability to receive nutrients from the food that we eat. It also purifies the blood. It helps to detoxify the liver. What gives turmeric such an incredible reputation and provides all of these health benefits is one of its active compounds called curcumin. Curcumin is naturally found in turmeric. The thing with curcumin is that it is a bit tricky to absorb, so the body doesn't necessarily get all of it, but a few ways around that is to always incorporate black pepper. Sounds silly, but tests have shown that having black pepper at the same time as turmeric can increase the absorbability up to 2,000%. And also, curcumin is a fat-soluble compound, meaning that if you have healthy fat at the same time that you're consuming turmeric, you'll be able to get more benefits from it as well. Evidently, you can't just sprinkle turmeric here and there and expect to get all of these health benefits. If you're interested in using turmeric, say, as a form of medicine to reduce symptoms such as inflammation and pain in the body, then I would recommend doing research for yourself and seeing if supplementing with curcumin or turmeric is right for you. Unless you want to eat everything yellow and eat an incredible amount of turmeric daily, then that's the way that you'll get the stronger health benefits. I sprinkle turmeric anywhere I can, in case it's not very obvious. That was not always the case when I became a holistic nutritionist 10 years ago and I was first learning about turmeric. When I was adding it in, it wasn't always a success. But since then, I've discovered ways that are absolutely delicious, such as cauliflower. Roasting cauliflower with turmeric, salt and pepper, a little bit of oil. Stir that in, it is absolutely divine. Hummus, very simple, using a regular hummus recipe and adding some turmeric, then you have a nice yellow dip. I've been fermenting a lot more lately, so if you're into that kind of thing, you can make your own sauerkraut, adding lots of turmeric in here. Other ways would be adding turmeric in a tahini-based dressing that is beautiful. You can put it on salads and stir fries and that sort of thing. And also, I always put turmeric on my eggs. I always put turmeric in my rice, in my quinoa, that sort of thing. If you want something sweet, I'd highly recommend giving a golden latte a go, or a turmeric milk. All it is, essentially, is the milk of your choice, turmeric, cinnamon. If you want to get fancy, you can also add spices such as ginger and cardamom. But you steam that up, add a little bit of sweetener, and voila. And I sprinkle a little bit of pepper on top, and then you're good to go. In addition to ways of eating turmeric, turmeric's really good for our skin. So you can also make a face mask. So here is local organic honey, organic turmeric, and you put that on your face for 5 minutes, and then wipe it off, and you'll have a nice glow. So all of this said, hopefully it's inspired you to use turmeric a little bit more at home. Just keep in mind it does stain, so wash your fingers, wash your clothing, your countertops. And again, if you did want to use it as medicine, then look into supplementation. May you be nourished. Thank you so much for listening. Take care.